Hi, I'm Jake, Qualified Motorcycle Instructor here with RideTo today. Talk you through a CBT, how it all works, what it entails. So yeah, let's get into it. So CBT, Compulsory Basic Training course, designed to help you build up and start your journey on a motorcycle, either an automatic or a manual, with L plates. CBT breaks down into 5 basic elements. Element A, B, C, D and E. Element A is all about the appropriate safety clothing, introduction to ourselves and letting you know a bit about the course. Element B, the controls, how they work and most importantly where they are. Element C is the fun part. You're going to start riding the motorcycle and it has a number of different exercises involved. You have to reach a certain standard to be able to move through Element C, but once we do and once we have, we can approach Element D. Element D is just a brief road ride talk covering correct attitudes for riding on the road, correct positioning and some of the things that you can encounter and have to look out for. That will lead you on to Element E, which is of course your minimum of a 2-hour road ride. It will cover all sorts of road scenarios, all of the sorts of road users, different speeds, different traffic scenarios, and then once you've completed Element E, it's time for the good or bad news. So you don't actually need any experience to come along to do a CBT. All you need to have is a little bit of experience on the highway code, the correct clothing and the correct mentality to come along and complete your day. So what to wear and what to bring. To bring with you, important, first of all, start with the simple things. Something like a packed lunch and some fluids to keep you both fed and hydrated throughout the day. More important things are your driving licence, okay? Make sure if you wear glasses or anything like that, you bring them with you, or else you need to do your eyesight test and be able to pass that. We need to be wearing something suitable on our feet, something that covers our ankles, solid, sturdy foot protection. I would advise to try and stay away from things like steel toe caps. It will reduce your feel and can also cause more injury if anything were to happen. Make sure you keep something that will keep you warm, so a nice protective jacket, although some schools may offer that as well. The minimum on the leg wear is a thick, sturdy pair of jeans. No such thing as shorts or tracksuit bottoms. You need something that's going to protect you in the event of a spill off that motorcycle. So what not to wear, some examples would be full-size tracksuits, shorts, anything that's going to cause you harm or that isn't particularly sturdy as an item of clothing. The footwear aspect of it, no trainers, and that does also include high-top trainers as well. Needs to be in a minimum standard of something like a walking boot, provides a good sturdy protection, or ideally simply motorcycle gear. A good piece of advice is to always bring a spare change of clothes as well. You don't know what the conditions are going to be like on the day. You could end up getting quite wet and cold. It's always nice at the end of your day to be able to change into a nice pair of dry clothes for your journey home. Once you've completed your CBT, at the age of 16, you can ride a 50cc motorcycle, L plates front, rear, no passengers, no motorway. But once you're 17 and over, it's up to a 125cc, again, L plates front and rear, no passenger, no motorway. Your CBT will last for 2 years. If you haven't taken the decision to go and do your full motorcycle test within that 2 years, you need to come back and do a Renew CBT. The Renew is another full 1-day course. After you have renewed, please be aware you still need to have the L plate front and rear, and the same rules of no passengers, no motorway apply. It's just renewing from that 2-year period previously. Hopefully after watching this, you're a bit more informed and ready for your CBT. If you need any more tips, help or advice or information, head over to RideTo.com.